And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. And we could all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. And if I were Roy Rogers, but sure enough be single, I couldn't bring myself to marry an O'Dale. It'd just be me and Trae. We'd go riding through them movies, then we'd buy a boat and on the sea we'd sail. And if I had a boat, go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. We could all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. Well, the mystery masked man was smart. He bought himself a tonneau, 'cause Tano did the dirty work for free. But Tano, he was smart, and one day Kimosabe said, "Kiss my ass, I bought a boat, I'm going out to sea." And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. And we could all together go out on the ocean and set me upon my pony on my boat. And if I were like lightning, I wouldn't need no sneakers. I'd come and go wherever I would please. I'd scare 'em by the shade tree, and I'd scare 'em by the light pole, but I would not scare my pony on my boat out on the sea. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride on my boat. And we could all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. It's me upon my pony.